Today I'm going to demonstrate my team's effort in this coursework, and our team have chosen the topic 3. So let's go directly into the experiment we have made. Well, our experiment is the goal of it is to evaluate the impact of the combined thermal and shoulder surfing attacks. So this experiment is involved the shoulder surfing, the thermal attack, and the combination of both of them. And you can see there are some examples for 3 types of attacks. The left image shows shoulder surfing, and the right photo shows the thermal attack, and the third one is just to combine them. And this is a prototype we have created. Well, initially we decided to use a real cell phone, but nowadays the cell phone is under multi-factor authentications. But in our experiments, we are going to use many passwords. So if you want to change a password, it will take a lot of time. So it will waste many times. So finally, we just use a paperboard prototype, which is very easy to make. So although it's in low fidelity, but it's also very practical. It saves a lot of time for us. There are some videos and some snapshots of our experiment process. Well, due to the limitations of the time, I will not show the videos here, but you can see we really enjoy the experiment, all of our participants and team members. So it was a very interesting process. And if you are interested in our process, we will also submit the videos and the snapshots in the final submission of this coursework. And let's go into the design of our experiment. The most important is to define the dependent variables and the independent variable. And we have used 2 indicators, the identification accuracy and the Lewiston distance, as our dependent variables. And for the independent variables, well, it's very obvious, it's just the attack types. We only change the attack types in this experiment. And there are also some other control variables, so that we will need the pilot study to eliminate the influence by them, to predefine them as a constant. And for the design structure, we chose a within structure because we have very few numbers of participants. And we also considered about the counterbalance, which will also influence the results of the experiment. What we do is just to randomize orders for participants to accept their 3 attack methods. You can see in the table, the first one will go through the experiment as by the order ABC, the second one BCA. Well, the letters ABC stands for the different types of attacks. Here are some results data we collect from the experiment, right? This is a raw data, but this is how we visualize them, and it's more straightforward. You can see the green bar stands for the combination for both attacks. So as for the accuracy, you can see the combo type is better than other 2 types, and also in the distance, the combo type is shorter than other 2 types. So now we can draw the conclusion, right? The shoulder surfing combined with thermal attack is a stronger attack method, right? And after the analysis of them, we know that there are many drawbacks of the independent thermal attack or shoulder surfing. For example, for the thermal attack, if we have duplicate digits in the password, then the fingerprint will be in the same position on the device. So that will be very hard for attackers, right? And we also create some questionnaire to validate our experiment. This example shows most of our participants has increased their awareness of the safety of their mobile phone use, right? Well, this is a very good news. And then finally, we have also given some suggestions for our participants and other people, like use anti-pinning phone film, and do not leave your device unlocked in the public, which is very dangerous, and also do not pay a lot of attention to your fingerprint. Well, that is all, and thanks for watching.